All, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. Let's get started. In this video, the topic which I'm picking is it's a part two of SN utility, which I have shown you last time. There are much more features and much more easier way where we can use SN utilities now, and we'll show you how we can use it. So I'll not further delay it. Let's get started. I will just go to Chrome, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support. So go to Chrome, type SN Utilities, and whatever the Chrome extension, if you are using ServiceNow in the Chrome, go to this extension and just add this to Chrome. So once the extension is getting added, so this will show you that it has been added to your Chrome. And from here, you just click on this and pin this utility to yourself so that it will always be here when you pin it. So you can use it whenever you want. So now see we have in added the extension as an utility and we have also pinned it. Now you see, now I will not do anything. If I want to open the incident table, incident list view, just type slash. If you just type slash, you will see all the commands which are available by default here. And if you just mention the table name and enter, see, it opens all the incident with the list view to you. This is how you can also open. Suppose you have already opened the list view now, right? And now you want to see the backend name of these fields. So how would you see it? Just type slash and tn and enter. You see, you can able to see number, open date, short description, color, all the backend value, technical name of the fields you will get it. And if you want to open the record, you just open here also either any within this double space, if you double click also you'll get it, or if you want to use with the command just slash tn and enter. So you can able to see all the details here. Right now, the interesting thing is you want to update the priority from P1 to P5 to P2, or you want to update something here in the description, right? You know the description field now, correct? And if you want to update via background script, you have to go to background script and write a script, right? If you just type slash BGC, BGC is for current record. C means current record. Just enter. See, it has already created a glide record query for you. It has also written the script. Glide record for incident table. It also taken the current SysID. You see 1088 and 1088 is the SysID. And it is giving the info. If you just run the script, it will show the incident number. If you want to update further, you can just do the further scripting and you can update, right? Current dot update. mm, the script, and if you see back, see test got updated. So this is a a very good feature, I would say, which you can use it via background script. Not only this, and in the list view, suppose you have added a filter for all the new status, right? Now for all the new statuses you want to update something, or with whatever the filter you want to update something for all this 20, right? So just type slash and type BGL for list, right? And just enter and see all the list query. Whatever you have added the filter, that is getting added. It is slide recording to incident table, and it is limiting the record for 10. So if you want, you can make it to 20, or you can also comment this if you don't want to use it. Then see, it is giving the syntax of that entire query, what you have to use it. Further, you can use it. This is really a good option if you are a beginner to ServiceNow, you want to explore, you don't know how to write a script. So this is where you can easily, access this, right? So not only this, suppose if you have opened this record now and you want to check something in the list view for this, or you want to update something in the list, what we usually do, we copy this, we go to incident dot list, then we enter it in the search view, then we open this, right? We don't need to do all those things. Just type slash and just type list. So it opens the current record with the filter. You see, filter is added and the current record is opened here. So like this, we have so many slash commands, by default, which is getting added. I'll also show you some of the slash command. If you see slash br, it will open business rule to you, right? And while you are doing this, if you want to cancel the transaction, you can just slash cancel, and it will, do the cancellation if you are running a wrong query, right? Or if the transaction is getting more. These are the options which we have. Along with this, so we also have an option of this. If you click on this, no, this will give you these many details. Suppose if you click on glide record, it will show you the syntax of the query, what and all you can use it. Info may what and all you can add, how you can add. It's a basic thing it will give you, so you can take a reference from this, right? And if you want to search a user, you just click here, go to user and type the username backend and enter. See, the user details has come here, and you can also open the username, that particular user. You don't need to go really to user details. See, this will save your overall work timings, and it is a great feature to use it. Along with this, if you want to go to table also, you see, suppose I open, some table, I open this user, I wanted to open this user tables. It will come all the user related information, group member. Suppose I want to open this, just, clicking on this will open a records to you, right? And it will not have, you don't need to, go to the particular table and wait for it, correct? So like this way you can use this as an utility. You also have, you can see how many nodes are running in your system. You can see what is your current update set which you have, right? And you can also see tables, user data, you can see, and slash commands which I was referring, right? If you click here and come here for the slash commands, you can see all the, commands. If you just type slash ACL will open. If you just type, BR will open. Cancellation of a record. And if you want to, go for the new one also, suppose if you want to use your own command, right? You can write a command, give that URL, give that hint, and save it. Then future you can use the new one also. So you can also create your own slash commands which you are regularly using and you don't want to, go with a longer route. And you can also refer all the slash commands for easier access. So this is a overall feature, which using SN utilities, I would say, and this is a great feature, and start using this, and it will definitely save your time. It is saving my time a lot. So that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support. Thank you all.